Hello everybody, it's me, Ava from PS4, and who are you?
I am Gia.
And today what are we going to be doing?
I'm unboxing this random package.
This random package of Tangles, a 4-pack of Tangles. I get 1 Tangle, she gets all 3. So open it up. Let's see what's inside.
Okay. Oh yeah! Got this one. Then get that one out.
This one's mine.
Okay. Ah! Come on, you little busted thing.
Come on!
Yes! Let's open them up.
Okay guys, we're going to be opening this up. Let me set up this camera real quick. Alright. See. I got it out. Oh my god!
Tangle. I'm gonna add it into my fidget bag thing.
Yes, Gia has a fidget bag now. Okay, let's open these other ones, Gigi.
Oh my god. Just open up. Okay.
Come on, you got this. Guys, I'm loving this Tangle. It's so nice and just great.
Okay. Oh my god.
She got it!
All of these are cool.
Now we should have one last one left to open. Let's see.
Oh my god. I love these.
Come on. There. There.
That is so cool.
So great. So, Gia, which one's your favorite out of all the other 3 Tangles? Like your favorite in colors?
Blue, white, and this green color, and then this magenta.
So you like this one the most? I was just asking which Tangle you like the most, Gigi.
This one.
This one, yeah, I could tell. These ones are nice too. But yeah, guys, we finally got Tangles in our collection. So stay tuned. We will be doing more fidget unboxing. And yeah, that's pretty much the end of this video. So I hope you guys enjoyed. And yeah, peace out.
Bye.